In Maine. That's my side. Look at that. I don't know how I feel about this new headlight.
What's up, guys? KotaBearTV back again with another video. So today, guys, we're day 3 in Maine. Got the A-arm all fixed last night, so we're good to go today. We're mainly going to do some trail riding. We got about 3 inches of snow, but I think we're going to be doing like a 200-mile loop today. We're going to the falls, and we're going to go see, I think we're going to Sugarloaf also, so it's been a long day. Trying to get some good footage for you guys, show you what the main trails are like, you know, trying to do some wheelies, stuff like that, with the, you know, the Matrix Assault. So otherwise, stay tuned for that. I just want to say thanks again for all the support, guys. If you guys haven't, go down and subscribe for me. Helps me out a lot. The goal is 5K. So, and also my merch. The link will be down below if you want to help me out. KotaBearTV merch. Really would appreciate it. Otherwise, guys, let's get right into today's video.
There we go. Now I can see again. Guess we made it to Grand Falls. There you go, guys. Grand Falls in Maine. Nice little view. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see, but the water's coming underneath all that ice and going out through. Pretty cool. I think we got a couple more stops that we got to make today. Oh yeah, Cooter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, button. Almost go over backwards. God, I wish there was a couple more feet. They usually have so much that these power lines are basically covered and you can ride the power lines and stuff. Oh, that's funny. My buddy's waving to him. He's got a mirror on his hand and he goes like that. Cooter's waving to him and he flips him off in the mirror. Oh, that's awesome. Woo! That was a mistake almost. Look at all the trucks. Lumber bud. Lumber mill. Look at that operation. Must all be sawdust. That's some big piles of sawdust and wood chippings. Holy shit. That's pretty crazy. Side by side. Look at that. 900 side by side on tracks. Huh. Interesting. Idiot. Oh, he's still shaking his hand. Well, yeah, don't punch a branch at 30 miles an hour, bud. Tight section in Maine. Trails are pretty good though. Looks like they groomed it the night before the storm. We're almost near the forks right now, like Bingham area. We're coming across to it. Calf ate shit. Big boy down. Yeah, buddy. Giving her hell. Cooter and I are going to his buddy's house instead of following the crew. Gonna give her hell. Down by Solon. Night rip, Maine Cooter. A little rough through here, but nothing the assault can't handle. Whew. Caught up to Kota. Just sending it. We stopped at his buddy's house up here in Maine. Hung out for a while. Now we got like 70 miles. We gotta go back. It's like 7 o'clock right now. Just ripping. A little rough. Must have had some traffic today. Oh yeah, the assault is killing it. Handles the bump and turns like nothing. I don't know how I feel about this new headlight. I have it adjusted all the way up. I just, for some reason, feel like the old LED just worked a little bit better because it gave you more of a broad view over the whole thing. I think if they rework this headlight a little bit, I think it could be really good. But I'm not sure how I feel. I'm thinking I kind of like the old LED better. It also doesn't help. I'm wearing fucking tinted goggles right now at night. I don't have another pair. I don't usually ever ride at night, so it doesn't ever bother me.